Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Fidelity individual account. First, let's get you started. Opening a Fidelity individual brokerage account is a straightforward process, typically taking about 10 minutes online. You'll need basic personal details, including your social security number and employment information. This account is perfect for investing in a wide range of securities, offering flexibility and control over your financial future. Once your application is submitted, Fidelity will review it, and you'll soon be ready to fund your new account. Now that your account is open, the next step is funding it. Fidelity offers several convenient ways to add money. The quickest method is linking your bank account for electronic funds transfers, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. You can also set up a direct deposit from your paycheck, making regular contributions effortless. For larger sums, consider a wire transfer or mailing a check. Fidelity also facilitates transferring assets from another brokerage, simplifying consolidation of your investments. With funds in your account, it's time to invest. Fidelity provides access to a vast array of investment options, including thousands of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Their robust research tools and screeners can help you pinpoint investments aligned with your goals. Placing trades is simple through the user-friendly online platform or mobile app. You can also set up automatic investments, like contributing $100 monthly, to build your portfolio consistently over time. Finally, effective management is key to long-term success. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and ensure your asset allocation still aligns with your financial objectives. Fidelity's online dashboard provides a clear overview of your holdings and returns. You can easily access statements and tax documents, simplifying record keeping. Remember to rebalance your portfolio periodically, perhaps once or twice a year, to stay on track. Fidelity also offers extensive educational resources to help you continuously enhance your investing knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.